I just have two quick notes about this one. Number one, every time I see the Arbor One chick in the pink shirt, she's eating, which is totally fine. It's just kind of weird to eat on Zoom, but whatever, go for it. Except for she like licks and sucks under her fingernails when she's done to get all the crumbs out, which totally grosses me out. Ew. Number two, when I saw this defendant, I thought, oh, cool name, cool hair. And it was all downhill after that. So enjoy.
Judgment to the plaintiff by default for possession, redemption amount, any amount requested. Writ to
Thank
issue
you.
10 days. Arbor One versus Champagne Wilson.
Cheryl Wolkoff on behalf of the plaintiff.
I'm here.
Ms. Wilson? Hello, Ms. Wilson.
Hello.
Okay, let's see. We were at 1454.10. I don't know if that included the 150 she paid that day or not.
It did not. The balance right now is $1,310.57.
Okay. Ms. Wilson, how do you plan on getting that paid?
Well, the balance should include a payment of $300 that I made yesterday, and then a payment of $475 that I made today. They let me know that they could see the $300 one already in the office, and that they were going to add the $475 before my court date. With that payment, with the $158, that equals $932.10. It's a little bit more than that, which was my portion to pay. And SCR has approved me for rental assistance, and they're to pay $520, which is the remaining balance on that. So I'm just not sure why it's not reflecting on their end. But when I went today, basically they just want me to have the people from SCR email my landlord's people to tell them that they'll send them a check, because they said, my landlord basically said that their provider number is not working and it's hard for them to get the money from DHS. I don't really understand how I have anything to do with how they get the money from DHS, but they said that I need to have the lady basically say that she's going to send in a check instead of going through the way DHS normally pays the
Okay.
Arbor.
All right. Hold on. she had that all wrapped up, didn't she?
Yep.
All right. Let's first hold on. Hold on. Miss All right. So I have $775 of this that should have been paid.
Yes, I have receipts for all of that.
Okay. Whoa. I heard you. Do we know whether or not that's there?
Amy too? Can you confirm that?
Confirm that the payment of the $300 is on her ledger, and I believe I remember my assistant Stacy telling me that 475 has not been implemented into our Yardi system, but it was received.
Okay. So
and Your Honor, as long as the DHS is agreeing to give us a actual check, our corporation does not have a provider number for DHS. So we do not accept SCR payments in the portal type form as of right now.
okay, as of right now. Okay, I got
It's a very, it's a very long process. And when I worked here before, we had a provider number, and I'm in search of, with Lansing, trying to figure out how to reset the portal up. But we don't accept DHS payments unless they come in the form of a check.
Okay. All right. So if I have my 1310, take off 775, what do I have?
1310 minus 775, $535.
Okay. So Ms. Wilson, I'm still about $35 short.
I paid $158. I paid $300, and I paid $475.
Whoa. Hold on. So I'm missing 150 that you paid. Right?
I paid $158.
Your Honor, that's reflected in the balance.
Pardon?
Oh, I said that's reflected in the balance that I gave you, the 158
Yes.
payment.
Right. So what I'm saying is you're about 35, did you say?
35.
So you're about 35 short. And
That's not right.
Okay.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but that's not right.
Okay, so here's gonna be the problem. Over $35, DHS is not gonna pay until that until that clears the account. The 500. Was it 500 even they were gonna pay? Ma'am?
$520 is what they're gonna pay.
Okay, that's where we're actually
We'll
gonna be
waive the
$15 off.
$15, Your Honor, if we can get okay?
Thank
There's
you.
hold on, excuse me, Your Honor. There's nothing to waive because I paid $932.
Okay, does it really matter? Does it really
does-
matter, Miss
That's
Wilson?
condescending to tell me that they're gonna waive.
Does it
something that I don't
really
owe.
matter? Really? I mean, if you want to just have a fight, we'll have a fight. But does it really matter? I'm just trying to get the money there so your account's clear. Isn't that what we're trying to do here?
I want to make sure everything's correct.
You know what? All right, here's what I'm going to do. Ms. Luckoff, your gracious offer of waiving the $15 is correct. Send her a ledger, make sure everything's correct. Everything's going to be delayed. If August kicks in and she ends up getting evicted because it's not paid, so be it. July 28, 2023, what time? 9 a.m. Because if we click over into August, they're not going to pay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Six.